In this video, I'm going to show you how to add page numbers inside of Bluebeam. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the first thing what we need to do is open up a Bluebeam and then open up your PDF or document that you're working on and you'd like to add those page numbers in. So I'm currently just got this house plan for this demonstration. So at the bottom of this page, it says page 1 of 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc, etc. So this is just a demonstration. Now if you want to go ahead and add your page number to the top of the page here to make it easier viewing or whatever you need. Now what we need to do is head on over and click on the document and then find headers and footers and then click on to add. Now select your document and then click next. Now from here we can customize our headers and footers. So say if you want the header to be on the left, center or right, just go ahead and choose which one. Above that we can change our font, we can change the sizing. Some might do sizing 4, might make it bold as well. Now from here, say if I want it to be on the right hand side, I'm going to click onto page number and now select page number format. So we got 5 to choose from here, and you can also have a start number. I'm just going to start from number 1. So I want page 1, so I'm going to click on OK. And now once I add that in, you can see in the preview it's going to place it here. So if I go ahead and click on OK again, it's going to add that. So if I zoom in, you can see page 1 and then page 2, 3, 4, 5. You might need to go ahead and change the layout or where you want these page numbers, because it might look a bit funny. As you can see, it's overlapping here. So yeah, you can mess around with it, but that's how to add page numbers inside of Bluebeam.